Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Coredy Wi-Fi repeater. Before I begin, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe, as we are trying to hit 1000 subscribers. Starting with a look around the box, on the back it states the package contents and also some contacts that you might need. Opening the box, you can see the repeater on top, and underneath we can see an Ethernet cable, a free warranty extender, a start guide and also a reset tool. Taking a look at the quick start guide, you will easily notice that it is very useful for the setup of the device and is very helpful at showing you the different features of the repeater. The Ethernet cable provided is of nice quality and works just as well as any other Ethernet cable. Taking a look at the repeater itself, we can see that it is fully made out of plastic and has 4 antennae in total. These can change direction, so if you want them pointing at a certain direction, you can easily do that. It does attract a bit of fingerprints, but that is nothing to worry about, as when it is in use you will not be touching it. On the left it has an on-off switch and also the reset button hidden inside, which can only be pressed using the tool in the box. On the bottom you have 2 Ethernet ports, and on the other side you can find the mode settings ranging from router to repeater to access point. On the bottom near the plug you have some information about the power input. Heat is given off at the top near the antennae as well, and on the front we find the Wi-Fi strength, WPS setting, WAN/LAN use, LAN use only and power indicator. You also have a button on the front. Moving onto the computer side of the setup, once you connect to the repeater, you can see that both addresses can be used to access the setup page, either 192.168.10.1 or ap.setup. You will be greeted with a page resembling the layout of Windows 8, and once you log in with the username and password, which are both admin, you will log into the setup page. There is a weird glitch where once you press login, the whole password bar fills up, but it's nothing major. Once inside the UI, you can see even more resemblance to Windows 8. You can also see other settings which we will not get into to keep the setup process simple. You should first click on the repeater wizard if you've chosen the repeater option, and once in there you can check the available networks for repeating. You can tell that it did pick up even the far away connections as shown through the laptop's Wi-Fi card and the repeater setup. This shows that it can connect to faraway routers as well. To keep it simple, we will connect to a close-up Wi-Fi signal. Once you are connected, you can put in the Wi-Fi key of the existing router and then put in the SSID of both the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz output of the repeater. It then reboots, and once it reboots, everything will be set up. If you want to use it as an access point, put in the Ethernet cable into the WAN/LAN port and switch the mode to AP. The same setup is involved, and if it was previously set up with another mode, it retains the same format. The same applies to router mode, which can be done by following the instructions on the manual. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.